Today, we're comparing two popular offshore brokers, HeroFX and GatesFX. Both promise low costs and high leverage, but which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Both brokers target similar traders. HeroFX launched in 2022 and offers trading on MetaTrader 5 and TradeLocker. They accept crypto deposits and offer leverage up to 1 to 500. GatesFX also uses MetaTrader 5 and TradeLocker but pushes even higher leverage at 1 to 1000. Both promise raw spreads starting from 0 pips and fast withdrawals. Here's a big issue. Both brokers operate from offshore locations with weak oversight. HeroFX claims regulation by St. Lucia's Financial Authority, but that's just business registration, not a real Forex license. GatesFX makes similar claims. Multiple review sites confirm neither broker has popular regulation from trusted authorities like the FCA, ACIC, or SISEC. Without real regulation, your money has zero protection. On Trustpilot, GatesFX scores slightly higher at 4.4 stars versus HeroFX 3.4 stars. GatesFX uses praise their 2-hour withdrawal guarantee and responsive support. HeroFX gets mixed reviews. Some traders love the crypto deposits and quick service, but others report account issues, high margin requirements, and slippage problems during news events. Both brokers have complaints about withdrawals and unclear fee structures. Both offer the same platforms, MetaTrader 5 and TradeLocker. GatesFX advertises over 300 trading instruments, while HeroFX offers around 170. GatesFX promises faster withdrawals in under 2 hours, and HeroFX focuses on crypto-friendly trading with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoin deposits. If you're a crypto trader, HeroFX feels more natural. If you want more instruments, GatesFX has the edge. Honestly, neither broker is a safe choice. Both lack proper regulation, which is a massive red flag. If you must pick one, GatesFX has slightly better user reviews and faster withdrawal processing. But the truth is, without real regulation from trusted authorities, both brokers put your funds at serious risk. You're better off choosing a properly licensed broker with real oversight and fund protection. That's the comparison, guys. Stay safe, do your homework, and always check regulation first. See you next time.